Lagi ka bang kulang sa ports at laging bitbit ang dongles para lang makakonect? May solusyon na tayo dyan. Introducing the DUB M1150. It's 11-in-1 USB-C docking station, compact but powerful hub for all your devices. This is plug and play, no setup needed, and you get HDMI up to 4K at 60 Hz. Perfect for presentations, movies, or multitasking on a second screen. May USB 3.0 ports din for fast file transfer, plus USB-C with up to 100 watts power delivery kaya sabay ang charge at working on devices at the same time. And yes, may Ethernet for stable internet, SD and micro SD slots for content creators. Meron din siyang 3.5mm audio jack and even VGA port para sa mga projectors. Whether you're working from home, editing on the go, or just simplifying your setup, the DUB M1150 gives you everything you need all in one sleek device. No mess, no stress, just connect and go. This is available in all dealing authorized resellers nationwide.